This video is brought to you by Skillshare. So today I'm finally answering a question that a lot of you have made, and this is how to travel and earn money at the same time. For those who don't know me, my name is Fonsi and I'm a travel blogger. I've been traveling the world for 4 years. And guys, sustaining a life of traveling around the world, it's definitely not something that it's affordable. So today I'm not gonna tell you about budget traveling. I've already made some videos about that. But today I'm gonna tell you about how to actually earn money and travel at the same time. So let's start by giving you my example. I'm a marketing graduate. I graduated from marketing in 2017. And you know, marketing has a lot of opportunities. There's a lot of things that you can do with marketing, and I could definitely have started by going into an advertising agency and working, you know, a 9-to-5 job and a stable job, but I decided not to do that. I wanted to explore the world. I wanted to know what's out there and to get all those opportunities that the world had in store. So I decided to start by, working as a social media manager, and I did this for local businesses, and it was really easy to find those jobs. They didn't pay that much, but what I did basically is I set their social media pages, I helped them with the type of content that they should post. That's how I actually developed my social media skills and how I got to the point that I am right now, where this social media platform about traveling and travel tips that I am talking you through, this platform right here is what actually sustains my traveling lifestyle right now, nowadays. So now, of course, through partnerships and through social media opportunities is how I sustain my travels around the world. But when I started, I didn't have that much money. I traveled on hostels for 5 euros a night, going on night buses that cost like 10 euros, maybe like short flights for like 20 euros. And those were my trips. And while I was doing that, I was, as I told you, doing that social media managing job. But there's all kinds of opportunities. The thing that you have to think about is that you are going to hustle. You are going to face difficulties. You're gonna have like times where you earn a lot of money, and then you have times where you don't have enough work to sustain your life, and it's gonna be complicated. But that's the lifestyle I signed up for, and the one that you may be willing to sign up for. But at the end of the day, the most important thing is to follow your skills. It's to actually go for what your abilities are at. And that's why you shouldn't follow my example or anyone else's example. You should follow what really works for you. And for that matter, I'm gonna give you some examples that are not mine. I'm gonna give you the example of my friend Sarah. She is living in Bali right now, and she is a content creator, but she also has, she works mainly by creating content for brands. So she works for these brands and makes the best content. She's a great video editor. She has really good, communication skills. So she works on that. She actually does that for other brands. So and you don't have to be a content creator. Now I can give you an example that it's a little bit farther from all of that, and this is my friend Christelle. She has been a flight attendant for years, and that has allowed her to travel so much all around the world. She has made it to some of the most incredible places. She made it to a place that I haven't visited, and it's actually the #1 place on my bucket list, and that's French Polynesia. I can't wait to go there. And the way that she has traveled to so many places is by her job as a flight attendant. Of course, while working, she has stopped in many places. She also had, our airline discounts, which allowed her to travel to different places. And yeah, if you are passionate about traveling and you want to, have this lifestyle, being a flight attendant, it's definitely a good idea. There's all sorts of opportunities apart from those. You know, I had a friend who is a web developer and he lived in Chiang Mai. We were staying at the same hostel and it was actually a very affordable hostel. You know, Chiang Mai is a very affordable city. It's, in my opinion, one of the best cities if you want to live somewhere where the cost of life is going to be very, very low. You know, I was paying 2 euros for that hostel, for my private room in that hostel. Yeah, it didn't have AC, it wasn't the most fancy, but it was great. And you know, food, it's so cheap in there. The city, it's amazing. You can go to the gym for a very, very low price, and it's just, you know, paradise for any digital nomad. So yeah, he was living there and making money as a web developer, but you can do, you know, all sorts of skills like being an au pair and, you know, taking care of children in another country. But again, the most important thing is that you follow your skills. And for that, that's a perfect time to introduce you to today's sponsor of this video, and that's Skillshare. And guys, I've been using Skillshare for a while and they have incredible courses. You know, it's a great way to develop your skills and to actually learn new skills. I've been following these courses about organization, and this one is called Productivity Habits That Stick, and it's by Mark Brady. Having this lifestyle that it's so messy and so all around the place, it's good to have some habits and some routines. So I've been learning a lot from these courses. I've been also going on different courses about, you know, video editing. I want to edit faster to post more videos for you guys. So I'm learning to do that in Premiere with these Skillshare courses. So yeah, there's all sorts of courses that can develop your skills, and at the end of the day, this is what you need. You need to follow what you're good at, where your abilities rely on, and if you do that, I'm sure you can travel and earn money at the same time. I hope this video was useful for you to do that. I'm telling you, doing this and not following a 9-to-5 job is probably the best decision I've ever made. I'm definitely so proud of everything that I've accomplished, and I think you definitely can do something on the lines. You know, it has to be your own path, your own journey, but if you're passionate about traveling and you want to see what's out there and you want to travel or live abroad while earning money and doing what you are good at, definitely start doing it now. Don't wait. And there's so many ways to do that. If you want to learn how to travel on a budget, I made a video about that. That may help you to start your journey. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure.